Alright, welcome back to the channel, welcome to the fireworks. Munich, January 1st, 1 minute after midnight, 2024. Yeah, as every year, here in Germany, everybody is allowed to make its own firework. And it is beautiful, but I almost have to scream into the camera because this feels like in a war zone. Explosions everywhere. Yeah, they are beautiful, but are they still... Is it still necessary to do this every year? I have no idea. I think no. I think they should make a central fireworks and not allow everybody to do its own. It's so loud. It feels like bombs exploding left, right and center right on my balcony. This is incredible. Can you see all the smoke? And this goes on not only here in Munich, but all over Germany. Anyway, let's try to enjoy the beauty, let's try to enjoy the lights, and not feel like in a war zone. The sound at least got a little better. But yeah, that's what's going on right here, right now. The first minutes of the new year. This really feels like a bomb attack. Okay. At least it got a little more quiet. Yeah, there was a lone bird just flying by the balcony. Doubt you saw it in the darkness. But I'm very sorry for all the animals that are out here right now that have to live through this chaos, this war that's going on here right now. And I said it several times today to my co-workers. Life is not expensive enough if people have money left to do something like this. They're not running out of ammunition yet. I really hope this will happen soon. In the meantime, trying to enjoy my glass of champagne. So, salute to everybody. Here's my glass of champagne. Let's have a good year 2024. I hope you will stay loyal to the channel, but I will provide you with a lot of content in the years to come. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you soon back here on the channel. Until then, have a good time. Goodbye.